Hello everybody and welcome back. I am very happy to be here and share my new kits for April. I say kits because there is more than one this month. I got very carried away, really enjoyed putting these together, and I've gone for a very spring theme. So I'll show you them one by one. I have already given these to my design team. They've had them for about a week now, so they can start thinking about and planning what it is they want to make. I do have a list down below, a Linktree list of all of my design team. Please go and check the ladies out. They are incredibly creative and amazing ladies. I'm sure you'll be absolutely blown away and inspired by their work as much as I am. So yeah, that Linktree link will be down below. So go and check those ladies out. As I said, super, super creative. And I know you'll be blown away by what they create with these kits. So the first kit I would say is probably the main kit, and it's the biggest kit. So this one's 16 pages, and it has a mix of journal pages, collage pages, and ephemera as well. So as I said, there'll be 16 pages, and this one is all very florals. So I actually probably forgot to mention it's called Spring Blossoms, so it's all about the florals. But lots of lovely spring colours. That was one thing that I really wanted, something nice and bright and colourful to cheer us up. I know certainly here in the UK the sun has been coming out. It's still been a bit windy and it's been a cold wind, so it hasn't felt warm yet really. But we have had lots of glorious sunshine and lots of flowers are now starting to come up, which is really nice to see. So we've got lots of floral pages, loads of writing space, which I wanted. As well as collage pages, so they're nice and decorative but lovely sort of pastel colours, really nice for a spring journal. So lots of blues, lots of pinks, lots of greens, and then some of the pages actually have lines on as well, so if you need those lines to guide your writing, there are some lined pages as well. They are faint lines, so you may not be able to pick them up very well on camera. But they are faint lines on there. Same with this page, also has lines on. But yeah, a lovely kit to put together. Lots of spring florals in here. And I do love the pastel colours as well. Really pretty. And then we've got this one. I really love these baskets as well. They remind me of Easter baskets, which I thought obviously again works really well with it being April and Easter this month. And then another collage page. So I tried to include a vintage photo. We've got some birds as well. And although it's quite busy, there are small patches where you could possibly do a little bit of writing if you wish to, or some extra decorating. And then we have the ephemera pages for this kit. So we've got lots of different tags, again using different elements from the kit, so butterflies and flowers and things, all still in those lovely pastel colours. We've then got an envelope which has a scalloped edge. Again, it's got that gorgeous butterfly on, and then the flap that comes down over the envelope has lovely florals on. Then got 4 different pockets, again lots of florals, some of the elements from the collage pages on there as well. Then we've just got some different journaling cards and a floral frame there. One of the journal cards is like a postcard. We've got an envelope and then some lined paper. We've then got some labels and some fussy cuts. Now I have done a kind of lighter border around each of the flowers, so if you use a digital cutting machine it will hopefully pick it up a little bit better. I didn't want to go for anything too dark, which is why it's kind of a neutral colour behind, but hopefully because it's not white, your machine should be able to pick up where that outline is. I know it works on the Cricut machine. I can't speak for other machines. I only own a Cricut machine, and obviously my Sizzix Big Shot, but for a digital machine I've got a Cricut and that picks this up fine. And as I said, we've got lots of labels as well with again different sort of spring terms on there, and then a small little banner as well, which could be used as a small bookmark or just a page marker maybe. And then some more little fussy cuts as well. So again, we've got some butterflies and then just some other little elements and another frame that could be used in a journal. So that, as I said, is, I wouldn't say it's the main kit, but it's the larger kit of the three. So that's 16 pages. Now I actually designed this one second because the original kit was this one, which is Sweet Spring. This one's 14 pages. And the reason I then created this one after, because this one has all of sort of spring animals and creatures in, but I know not a lot of people, or certainly a lot of people that I've kind of seen, they don't like all the cutesiness of animals and things, which is why I thought I'll go with just a floral one and some kind of butterflies and things, and then I'll have one with the kind of cutesy animals. So if you just want cutesy, you can have that one. If you don't like cutesy, there is obviously the botanical version as well. Now you'll notice that the pages are very similar because obviously it's in the same style. I've just included the cutesy animals in there. So if you bought both kits, they would go together perfectly because it's the same colour scheme that I've used. Same sorts of paper, so you've got the faint lined paper in the background, you've got the beautiful florals, and they're very similar or the same sorts of florals that you'll see in the other kit as well. So that's why I said they go really lovely together. But then we've got these gorgeous cute animals. I really love this bunny. It's probably one of my favourite images, this little bunny sort of peeking up amongst the flowers. So that's the first page. Also a favourite of mine, this little cutie. I do love hedgehogs, very, very cute. And we've got the daisies, and he's holding daisies as well. We've then got a collage page with different animals on. But again, you'll notice the colours, the flowers, very similar to the previous kit. So that's why I said they will go together really well if you decide to use both kits together. Then we've got this one with the fox and the squirrel. So again, I was trying to kind of match up the flowers. So we've got lots of blues here, blues in here, and then obviously we've got they look like tulips, and we've got those there as well. I may be wrong, I don't know anything about flowers other than they look pretty. Then we've got this one, this little guy, so cute, so sweet, really love him. Love the bird as well. And then obviously we've got our little nest down here, and another collage page. Again, very sort of greens and blues, this one. Really like that. And then we've got our birdie here, little hedgehog. Another bunny image, very cute. This one's perfect for Easter because we've got the Easter eggs there as well. And a gorgeous little chick. And this one probably has to be one of my favourites as well. Absolutely love this little otter. He looks so cute. And then we've got mother duck and ducklings. And another collage page. And then we come into the ephemera. Again, very similar to the previous kit. Not as many ephemera pages though. So we've got the tags. Again, with all the different animals and things on there. We've even got a little beehive as well, and a different fox looking at a little butterfly. These two are really sweet as well. And again, we've got an envelope. This time I've changed it, so we've got the bunny rabbit on there and some different florals on the front as well. And then the pockets, we've got some lovely spring floral designs on those, and you'll see these in the third kit that I'm going to show you in just a moment. And then you've just got the page with three kind of journaling cards and a floral frame. So that's kit number 2. As I said, very similar to the first kit. So depending on your style and what you like. If you do like the cutesy one, then this one is absolutely great. If you don't like cutesy and you just want florals, then the other one is a pretty kit to use, but they do complement each other. So if you wanted to use both together, that still works. And then the final kit is smaller still. This is only 12 pages, but this is my spring background. So what you just saw on the pockets, those kind of muted floral designs are in here. So I'll just show you those pages. So unfortunately it doesn't show up particularly well on camera, but we've got these beautiful pink flowers on here, and there's a very subtle green background. And then this one also has a green background, but we've got some yellow flowers, some pinks and blues in there as well. But they're nice muted pages, so they're great for either the reverse of a journaling page. They're light enough so you could still possibly write on them. If you're somebody that likes to make albums or something, then these are great backing pages. They'd also make great covers for your journals as well, because they have those beautiful florals, and then obviously you can stick either like a journaling card or something, just so you've got more of a focal point on your front cover. There's lots and lots of things you could do with these, and obviously you can use these with other kits as well, but these obviously go perfectly with the other 2 kits released this month. Then we've got this one, which is all kind of yellows and greens. Got some daisies on a kind of greenish blue background. Really love this kind of orange colour as well. Very, very nice. And then we've got some reds and purples. And then we've got a blue background. So that's all of the ones that are kind of a muted background. Then I also decided to include in here are some wildflower scenery. So again, these would make really fabulous journal covers, or if again you do albums, these are great backing pages. So again, we've got those gorgeous pinks and purples that we've seen in the kit. We've got another scene where again you've got the pinks and the purples and some blues, but we've got a lovely stream there as well. And the next page, we've got some more of the other colours that we've seen, so some reds, some oranges, some yellows. And then the final one, again, has a bit of everything in there, all the different colours that we've seen. So there are 4 of these kind of landscape type pictures. And then the other 8 are the muted backgrounds. But that is the Spring Backgrounds kit. So each of these kits are available in my Etsy shop from the time that this video goes out. They will also be on discount as usual. So normally for the month of their release, there is a discount on them. So they'll be 25% off. That's an automatic discount. You don't have to do anything when you add it to basket. You don't have to enter a code. It's an automatic discount for the month that it is released. As usual, there will be challenges going on in my Facebook group, and I'll obviously post a video on this channel as well. That will come out on Sunday, and there will be freebies each week when I do the challenges. So there'll be 3 different challenges, and those that participate and either do something with the kits that they buy or using the freebies that I provide each week, I do a prize drawing at the end of the month for those that are participating and using the kits. And then there is a winner's drawing where somebody could win free kits from my shop. Well, that's all from me today. I'm really excited about these kits. I hope you are too. I will have the link down below to my Etsy shop if you do wish to go and purchase. As I said, go and grab that bargain while you can, because it's only available for the month of April. As I said right at the beginning, please go and check out my design team. They are amazing. They've already been sending me pictures of things that they are doing with this kit, so I know you'll be blown away and inspired as I am. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I will see you all in the next crafty video. Bye for now.